Are you looking for the top 5 outdoor barbecue grills you'll want this season? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 outdoor barbecue grills you'll want this season on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. 720-09825 Burner Propane Barbecue Gas Grill. Quick heating stainless steel burners. This grill's 5 10,000 BTU burners offer rapid, even heating for efficient cooking. Durable stainless steel construction ensures dependable performance for delicious results in any outdoor setting. Long-lasting matte cast iron grates with a durable matte finish. These cast iron grates provide even heat, superior non-stick properties, and excellent resistance to rust and cracking, ensuring consistent results for all your grilling needs. Handy side prep tables designed for convenience. This barbecue grill features 2 large side tables that provide extra space for food prep, seasonings, and tools, allowing you to keep your grilling process organized and efficient. Versatile 656 SQ. In cooking surface, this outdoor propane grill offers 656 square inches of cooking space, allowing you to prepare everything from steaks to veggies. Ideal for hosting BBQs, family dinners, or casual backyard events. Reliable porcelain-coated firebox built from high-quality porcelain-coated steel. This firebox ensures optimal heat retention, enhanced rust resistance, and exceptional durability, providing consistent performance for your barbecue grill. Number 2. Nexgrill Deluxe 5-Burner Propane Barbecue Gas Grill. Spacious cooking surface with 771 square in of total cooking space. This propane grill provides plenty of room to prepare a variety of foods at once, such as meats, vegetables, and more, making it ideal for hosting big events or BBQs. Porcelain cast iron cooking grids. The barbecue gas grill boasts porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grates, providing a non-stick, rust, and crack-resistant surface that's easy to clean and delivers optimal heat distribution for extended use. Powerful 60,000 BTU output. The large patio grill's 5 burners, each with 10,000 BTUs, offer excellent heating performance, allow you to cook meals quickly and enjoy flavorful grilled dishes at your next barbecue in no time. Enhanced cooking with side burner. This grill's 15,000 BTU side burner offers a convenient way to cook side dishes, boil water, or prepare sauces, ensuring you can handle all your cooking needs without leaving the grill station. 1-button electric ignition with 1 push. The electric ignition provides a stronger spark for dependable lighting and quicker startups, even on windy days, with no need for matches or lighters. Your barbecue grill is always ready to use. Number 3. R.W.FLAME 4-Burner Gas Barbecue Grill. Food grade and high quality. The R.W.FLAME Propane Grill is made of food-grade stainless steel, ensuring your well-being. Compared to traditional enamel cast iron, it offers several advantages, such as corrosion resistance, a lightweight design, more efficient heat conduction, even heat distribution, and easy cleaning. In contrast, once the enamel layer of enamel cast iron gets damaged, it will corrode rapidly, while stainless steel doesn't have this drawback: lightweight and fast heating. The stainless steel used in this grill is lighter than other enamel materials, sparing you the hassle of dealing with a cumbersome grill. Its outstanding thermal conductivity and even heat distribution enable you to enjoy your food faster. A delicious meal can be ready in just 5 minutes, and it also prevents the awkward situation where some ingredients get burnt while others remain undercooked. This makes your grilling experience even more enjoyable. Easy to move and clean. The propane gas grill is equipped with 4 wheels and a braking system to ensure stability. The stainless steel material of the grill guarantees its stability and durability. Additionally, the removable grease tray has uniquely designed grooves that can effectively collect grease and residue. Just remove the tray, and you can clean it quickly and easily. Number 4. 2-in-1 Propane Griddle Portable Flat Top Grill with Lid. Griddle and grill combo. Enjoy the freedom to cook anywhere. Use this 2-in-1 gas griddle on its heavy-duty cart featuring 2 universal wheels and 2 swivel wheels for effortless mobility during backyard BBQs. Simply lift the cooktop off to create a portable tabletop grill. This dual functionality makes it an ideal companion for camping, tailgating, or any outdoor adventure. Powerful 3-burner propane grill. Experience superior performance with this propane griddle featuring 3 independently controlled stainless steel burners, generating 24,600 BTUs of consistent heat. This griddle ensures even cooking across its total 450 square in. Cooking area, 23 by 20 inches, without hot spots, allow you to easily sear steaks, cook pancakes, and grill vegetables all at once. Practical lid and integrated storage. Designed for your portable flat-top grill with lid, this outdoor griddle accessory features a multifunctional cover that acts as a wind guard during cooking, prevents splatters, and retains heat when covering the surface. 2 side shelves, a lower rack, and a dedicated seasoning slot offer organized storage for tools, plates, and condiments. Quick and easy grease management system. Cleanup is simple on your barbecue grill with the efficient front grease management system. A dedicated channel collects oil and debris during cooking on the barbecue grill, funneling it into a large, removable grease tray. This practical design allows you to spend more time enjoying your meal and less time cleaning. Number 5. Kenmore 4-burner gas grill with side burner. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with the Kenmore 4-burner propane gas grill. Perfect for hosting gatherings, this outdoor grill boasts a spacious 622 square in of cooking area, giving you ample room to prepare a feast for family and friends. The 4 powerful burners, each delivering 10,000 BTUs and an additional 13,000 BTU side burner, provide unmatched versatility, making it easy to grill, saute, or simmer with ease. Designed with an open cart for quick access, this barbecue grill lets you stay focused on entertaining rather than constantly tending to the grill. The one-touch electronic ignition system ensures fast, reliable starts, while the integrated storage shelves keep your grilling essentials like spices and tools within easy reach.